Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add and use your webcam on Streamlabs OBS in 2025. This will help you personalize your stream and connect with your viewers in real time. To get started, go to the Sources panel at the bottom of Streamlabs OBS and click the plus button. From the list of options, choose Video Capture Device. This is what we'll use for your webcam. You can give this source a name if you'd like, but it's optional. After that, click Add Source, and your webcam feed should instantly appear on the screen. If you don't always want to be on camera, you can click the eye icon next to the source to temporarily hide your webcam and click again to bring it back. You can also drag your webcam feed anywhere on the screen. Most streamers place it in the bottom left corner, and you can resize it by clicking and dragging the edges to fit your layout. For extra customization, Streamlabs Ultra unlocks premium overlays, widgets, and even multi-streaming. There's usually a special offer linked in the description if you want to save some money on the upgrade. And that's it. Now you know how to add, hide, and customize your webcam in Streamlabs OBS. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more streaming tips.